Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. So for Solana, I think we are still in a downtrend despite yesterday's spike. Now again, I cannot rule out that the low for Solana is already in, but with the latest drop yesterday, this has just become less likely. In the videos over the last few, weeks, I've really constantly been saying that Solana's chart just doesn't give enough confidence to be bullish here. We really didn't see a lot of movement to the upside. We saw declining prices, we saw sideways movement, declining volume, and a lot of choppy price action. In the end, I think what we had here was just an Elliott wave triangle, which eventually, as you can see here, broke to the downside. So my view is, I did remove the bullish count for a reason. I mean, there is one still, because we haven't obviously made a new low below the June low yet, which is at around $26. Basically, we came down yesterday to $27, so only $1 missing. But the point is that Solana for me hasn't clearly bottomed yet. And to be honest, we haven't even made a new high. So we haven't even made a new swing high, as you can see here. So for me, it remains the view at the moment. I'm happy to be proven, wrong, or I'm happy that the market does something that shifts the sentiment and the market structure back to something more clearly bullish. But again, it is what I said in the Bitcoin video as well. At the moment, there are opportunities in the crypto market. Again, I just mentioned like Quant, Matic, Ethereum, Aave, maybe Metis, those coins or charts which are producing a clear structure where, at least with some confidence, you can say that a bottom might have been in. Here with Solana, of course, a bottom might have been in already in June, but things are just not clear. And the structure here, I mean, we're just moving sideways and we're actually starting to roll over now. So for me, this here was a wave 3 down, a wave 4 up, and now we're in this 5th wave down, which again consists of 5 subwaves. So in this case, 1, 2, 3, 4 as a triangle, and the 5th wave down. Theoretically, I mean, we've made a new low yesterday against that yellow wave 3. Theoretically, we could have bottomed here, but then again, it would be, if we say, okay, the overall bear market low was now already in yesterday, then it would be a truncated low, and we need evidence for that. So I want the price really to perform well now. But let's zoom in really, and let's take a look at this price action here. So at the moment, unless just take that out, unless we go above that wave 2 high, so 33.40, short term, I'm going to remain bearish. So I would still primarily expect another low. We are just approaching resistance here. So I've added this trend line here. We've got a couple of, 2 or 3 touch points here. And if we run into that trend line, we would be at just above $32. So this is resistance. You also have the 50-day moving average here. We are still below that one. That would also be resistance. And it will be interesting to see how does the market perform against it. At the moment, I see this as an ending diagonal, an descending, expanding wedge. That is not a bullish, it is sort of a bullish pattern, you would say, but here I would not count this as complete yet. I think we still would ideally need one more low. Now again, I can't rule it out, and therefore the level I just told you here around 33.40, 33.50. If we get above that level, at least short term, I would look at this in terms of a short term, more bullish structure, but only short term. Really important levels are the important level is $39. And unless we get above that level, there is nothing here really that I could call medium term bullish. The potential is there, but nothing that would give me really the confidence. That is the level. If we break above that here at $39, that would mark the break of a structurally important high, and would also, from an Elliott wave point of view, make it much more likely that we are actually moving up. yeah, that we are in something much more bullish. But until we see that signal, due to the massive price action here, I can't be more bullish really. And actually, as I speak, we're breaking down a bit. But so keep an eye on that level really, $39, and very short term here, the 33.50 level. Until that gets broken, I would even look at lower here. Yeah, still look at lower. I mean, we are still even in that pattern, in that descending broadening wedge. I mean, until we've broken out of that, you don't have a signal anyway. And yeah, fair enough. You know, we've made quite a bit of a move yesterday, but we were massively oversold anyway. And if you zoom out, you can see that all we've really done today is really to make a lower high. Yeah, so we haven't broken any of these swing highs yet. And as long as you break above a swing high and make a higher low, a trend isn't broken. So we're still focusing on lower for now. We're still below the 50-day moving average. And what else can we use? Let's see if the VRVP gives us something, or yeah, not the pi cycle bottom. So yeah, you can see that we also, this is the basically the volume indicator here, historical volume based on price action, and you can see that we've just approached here a cluster of resistance, yeah, that basically goes all the way up to, well, 35.50. Yeah, so this is a cluster of resistance we need to get through. Above that, I think, yeah, we can approach the $39 level, but that's just an important swing high, and until we take that structurally important swing high out, I would probably still expect lower prices primarily, also due to this latest dip, which wasn't bullish. And that's my update about Solana. So nothing that would give me here confidence that a low is in. There are charts where we can say that with more confidence, but also here things are not confirmed yet. Also with Ethereum, for example, it's not confirmed that we had a bottom in yesterday. It is likely, but it's also not confirmed yet. So things are just too early. Okay, and here, yeah, for me it's still further, you know, what can I say? You know, we're still making lower lows and lower highs. So until I see a change here, I can't really tell you any different, especially as my view is another low is still missing. Yeah, hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.